about to. Fraser, say what's up.
What's up, man? I like your little holder, that little orange thing. It looks like a canister.
It floats in the water.
Oh, okay, that's...
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say that's what it is.
Justin, say what's up the camera. Nice. We got Justin trying to find a spot right now.
So infused like meeting these days.
Y'all ready? Justin, tell her where we're going.
We're going 4 miles up the trail here. I don't know what it's called. I can't remember. Lincoln.
That's the second time you couldn't remember the trail.
I know I have a bad habit. Wow, look at how beautiful that water is, huh?
Yeah, the water's like super clear.
Yeah. You show me that video. About that looks pretty.
Oh, want to slip? Ooh, I'm slipping. Tell us where we're at.
We're on our way to, what, Misty Falls or something?
Right. Yeah.
I forget.
Alright, Justin, you're leading the way. Go. We got fucking Fraser eating seaweed chips. Show him what it is.
It's fish food for humans.
What are you eating?
Peanut butter jelly.
I don't have anything. This water's so cold. Oh, it's cold. Hell yeah, brother. We out here in the Antarctica. Woo! Oh, that's gnarly. We in Antarctica! Woo! all frozen. What? Should I jump? Yeah, I'm about to jump too. Not deep at all. Yeah, it's like jumping off. Not deep at all. Oh, it's got cold. Woo!
That's what it smells like.
Yeah, right? Dude, Disneyland and Six Flags legit like made it feel realistic.
Yeah, this is probably like a type of bamboo, right? It looks like it. I really don't know, but
I think it is.
yeah. Yeah, did we tell you that there's like bamboo in the wash? Like when we went. Yeah, they were like, we stopped at this cafe and there were some soldiers there just like on a coffee break with like their M4s or whatever.
Round 2.
Yeah.
You guys still have the same clothes from yesterday.
Yeah.
You bums.
Same day.
I think you all do.
Yeah.
You want to skate like that? Just sitting behind something. Like the last one, I was behind the train.
Yeah, that one was sketchy. Got the boys in the back.
Like, well, they both looked over, they're like, something else is coming down the hitch road.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
Can you zoom in on this thing?
Pretty nicely camouflaged. It honestly looks like you went too far.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you went far as shit. Yeah.
I think it went too far.
Would you do it again?
Crazy. Yeah.
I got young Fraser, I'll give that 10.10.
Yeah, man, I get my balls like.
Alright?
Imagine the fact. It's like.
That's how mine was. We got the boys. Justin, tell them where you're at.
Thanks, canyon right by the Misty waterfall.
That's it?
Yeah,
Nice.
where we're at.
Hallelujah! Woo!
So glad I did it.
Justin, how you feel? Yeah, you did it. Yeah, brothers. Hell yeah.
Alright, now go. Yeah, I just gotta find my contact lens now.
We gotta find Fraser's contact lens. We'll be right back.
I didn't do this.